Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
First, download Outlook from the Microsoft site or the Mac App Store. Open the installer and allow the app to install to your applications folder. Make sure Mac OS is version 12 or later and you have at least 1 GB free disk space. Launch Outlook and choose Tools, then Accounts to add your account. Select Exchange for work accounts or IMAP for others and type your email and password. Grant permissions for mail, calendar, and contacts when prompted, and allow the initial sync to finish before using the app. Open Outlook preferences to customize how mail looks and behaves on your Mac. Adjust the reading pane, list density, and focused inbox under View and Organize settings. Configure swipe gestures for archive, delete, or flag to speed through messages. Create rules and preferences rules to move, flag, or categorize incoming mail automatically. Add a signature and choose which account uses it under signatures. Set sync frequency to push, fetch every 15 minutes, or manual in accounts for battery and data control. Use the calendar and people features to manage meetings and contacts efficiently on Mac. Share calendars or set delegate access in calendar sharing for team scheduling and edits. Search all mailboxes quickly with the search box and use keywords or sender names to refine results. If messages go missing, use Mailbox, then rebuild to reindex and repair the mailbox data. For persistent issues, remove and re-add the account in Tools Accounts. Keep Outlook updated via Help, then check for updates and restart the app after.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.